We will be discussing your solution to one of the questions that you answered during the assessment. Can you explain how you approach the problem of finding unique k-diff pairs in the array?
Okay. So basically, I have to find the unique k pairs with the difference k. So basically, I use an approach uh, sorting approach. Like first, I've sorted the all the elements, and then I have applied the two pointer approach, and I tried to handle the edge cases where edge cases like for starting if if the two elements are same, then I'm skipping the that one of the element and moving to forward. And also at the and if the difference between the starting position and ending position and starting position is exact k, then I'm increasing the count and increasing the starting position and the ending position. And if the difference is less than k, then I'm increasing the ending position, and the difference is greater than k, then I'm increasing the starting position. And also I have handled the edge case if the starting position and ending positions are same. Suppose we are at the same index, then I'm increasing the ending position. And this is how
Got
I
it.
have,
It
yeah.
sounds like you have implemented a solid approach. Can you clarify how you ensure that the pairs you count are unique? What specific checks do you have in place for that?
Okay, so to check if the pairs are unique, I have applied the thing like ending position and starting position. If the ending position is a start ending position index is starting from index 1, and it is moving till n minus 1 into the while loop, uh, and if the ending position is equal to the ending num element at the ending position is equal to the element at the ending position plus 1, then I'm skipping the ending position. That's how I have
That,
handled the duplicate condition.
that makes sense. So, when you encounter duplicates, you skip them to avoid counting the same pair multiple times.
Yes, yes.
Can you explain how you handle the case when k is 0? What changes in your logic for that scenario?
Suppose k is 0, then I have also applied like the same logic is applicable for k is equal to 0 also. If suppose k is equal to 0 means both elements have to be equal. So my ending position starting from 1 and starting position starting from 0th index. And suppose they both are same, then the different I'll increase the count, and I'm moving the ending position, then move to the one index further. And if that index is also, yeah, that's how.
It sounds like you're checking for duplicates when k is 0 by ensuring both elements are equal. But how do you ensure that you only count unique pairs in that case?
So it will count like if the okay, unique pairs. So I use here by sorting already elements are already sorted, and I'm just checking. Uh, okay, k is 0 by okay, but count unique pairs. Okay, so it will give me an. I'm already checking the duplicates, and if it is a duplicate element, then it is skipping that side. So that's how I'm uh, uh, unique pairs will be
That's a good
stored.
strategy. By sorting and skipping duplicates, you're effectively ensuring uniqueness. Just to clarify, how do you handle the situation when the array has only one element? Would your logic still apply?
Yeah, my logic like ending position index is starting from 1. So if it is starting 1, then it is not going through the while loop. It will return only 0. It will return 0. Count is 0 only.
Exactly. That makes sense. If there's only one element, there can't be any pairs, so returning 0 is correct. One last question. How do you ensure your solution performs efficiently, especially with larger arrays?
Yeah. Uh, in larger arrays also, I'm first sorting the array, and then I'm trying to uh, do the operation, further operation. So it is applicable.
Got it. So, the sorting step is the most time consuming part, making your overall complexity O n log n. That's sufficient for the input size. Thanks for sharing your thought process.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Yeah, I have a question actually. So the question is like, how would you have defined and explain this approach in an interview?
That's a great question. In an interview, I would define this approach as a two-pointer technique combined with sorting to efficiently find unique k-diff pairs. It allows for a clear traversal of the array while managing duplicates effectively. Would you like to dive deeper into any specific part of this approach?
Yeah, like how would you have explained it properly?
I would explain it like this. First, I sort the array to bring duplicates together. Then, I use two pointers, one for the starting position and another for the ending position. As I traverse the array, I check the difference between the elements at these pointers. If the difference matches k, I count the pair and move both pointers forward, skipping duplicates. If the difference is less than k, I move the ending pointer to increase the difference, and if it's greater, I move the starting pointer to decrease it. This way, I efficiently find all unique pairs without counting duplicates. How does that sound to you?
Yeah, it sounds good.
I'm glad you think so. If you have any more questions or need help with anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Take care and have a great day.